Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's a great laptop and a good price. The colors on the screen are wide and clear. The keys have a good touch and feel. They appear to be a little larger than normal, but that might just be an optical illusion because of their shape. The battery lasts a long time, the camera is clear and works well with Zoom calls. The laptop is lightweight and easy to carry. It's very fast and responsive. The SSD drive makes the boot up time is very fast. Wi-Fi is excellent and the coverage area is very good. Lenovo offers a comprehensive portfolio of services to support and protect your ThinkPad investment so you can focus on your business, not your IT. Please subscribe my channel for more information of this product.
Technical specs of this laptop: processor Intel Core i7 11th generation, RAM 16GB DDR4, storage is 512 M.2 SSD, operating system up to Windows 11 Pro, display size is 15.6-inch FHD 920 by 1080 IPS, anti-glare 100% sRGB. Battery is up to 8.4 hours, 45 watt-hour. Rapid charge technology available with 65 watt AC. Security is trusted platform module. Optional smart power on fingerprint reader integrated with power button. Keyboard is spill resistance, optional backlight with wide LED lighting.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.